We got 27 good. Whoa! All not that. Whoa! It's too short for me. Whoa! I don't get nervous, but this time I'm a little bit nervous. I got some bad news, got some good news. Good news is I got to pull the clutch with my daughter. The bad news is there's some bad eggs. The bad news again is she'd probably like to tear my head off. So let's do this. So I actually am gonna cheat. Okay. Okay. Oh man. This is a big girl and she's not nice. Ugh. Oh. If her head pops out, let me know.
I don't see it.
Okay, so we'll move that over. There we go. Oh, I never had that happen. And almost my hand, pulled my own hand off from the rail. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Luckily I had my side.
Oh, you notice why I said it's a good thing my daughter's helping me. I'm like done. Rolling our dinosaur over. Okay, so check this out. Oh yeah, she's really cool. Whoop, 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 yep, Get ready, guys. She's gonna do the whole thing.
Take it from here.
Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay. Okay, so the good news is, even though she wants me, man, this is gonna be difficult. She's literally waiting for me to get in the exact position that she thinks she can reach. And I borrowed Tim's hook, which is too short for me, but what do I know? What do I know? Now, did you notice I took my guard down for 1 second and she took advantage of that 1 second. When I said this is a grumpy snake, I ain't kidding. She's actually positioning herself, hiding her body over there so she can get further than it looks. Oh man, I don't get nervous, but this time I'm a little bit nervous. They ask me all the time, oh, are you ever scared? I always say no, but this time I'm thinking I'm just too tired and slow. Okay, come on, girl. Okay, come on. Okay, there you go. You stay over there and bite the cameraman. Okay. So, having these is all not that. Whoa! Dang! Whoa! Told you I felt like I was off my game a little bit. Juliet, why don't you throw yourself in front of it and stop it? Dang, that was so close. Let me wipe its saliva off my face. This clutch is exactly why we take the eggs. They're half bad, half good. Almost 100% chance they'll get maggots, rot, and all the eggs will die. So I think there's only going to need one box today because there's so many infertile eggs. No, we can't go on that side because she'll bite us.
No, not that.
Go ahead.
I mean,
Go ahead, yeah.
the other side.
Okay. And of course, because of these are snake eggs, they have to all be up the same way. Look at that big girl. Hopefully we have enough eggs to get lucky. Ooh, man, there's a lot of infertiles. Way more than we expected. Whoa! Yep. I need a snake hook. Aisle 3.
Where did mine go?
Where'd she take all the snake hooks? There we go. There we go. There we go. We got them all. So we are successful. Juliet, you've got some quick hands. Now the question is, how do I get grumpy? I know how to get grumpy. Where's that hook? So all I gotta do is I'm gonna basically touch her so she wants to come over and light me up, and when she lights me up, she'll come over on this side. So she's gonna work to try to hide body. See, her head will stay there. Her head will stay there, but she'll get closer and closer with her body so she has more distance of striking. So right now she's thinking, you know, if I was crazy and I like making videos, I'd take risks. I am crazy maybe, but I don't want to take risks. So otherwise I'd show you, I'd show you, I would show you what I'm talking about. Now, you're probably thinking right about now, wow, why is he antagonizing her? So here's the deal. I could just grab her by the neck, yank her out, stress her whole life out, or I can let her just argue with me for a few minutes, and when the argument's over, she'll be like, okay, it's cool, and then she probably won't bite me, probably. But the point is, I won't be strangling her and fighting with her and making it all crazy. I'm trying to get her to burn her angry energy, and I say angry, it's just protective energy. unfortunately with this snake, it's more than protective energy. She's kind of not the nicest snake in the whole world. Do you want to cover those eggs?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let's put them in the incubator, and I'm going to deal with this in 1 second, because at the end of the day, I don't want her to knock her own eggs over, because we're trying to save her eggs and her babies. How many we got in there? I didn't even count them. You guys ready? Guess it? Here we go.
27.
27. What did I say a minute ago? Anyway, we got 27 good. Whoa! I looked at the, as soon as my eyes shift off of her, see how smart this snake is? The second I shifted my eyes off, she knew that I wasn't ready to jump, almost smoked me. That is incredible. So, that was crazy. You guys just saw one of the closest strikes I've had in a long time. Go to the other side and hold the box. But not, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yep, this one's a little grumpy. This one's spirited, like my children.
We like to say passionate.
Well, I would not want anything but kids that knew how to stand for their own. So come on. And this is one of my kids that's standing for its own right now. It just doesn't realize that Dad's right, and I just saved all their babies. Okay, just take that off the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, so, whoop, this is where it gets a little interesting. Oh, come on. Let me tell you, if I didn't have a little bit of skill handling big snakes right now, this would be a whole nother video. Whoa! Oh. Here, I got a snake hook. There you go.
I didn't actually.
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Enclosure's right there. Come on. Enclosure's right there, girl. There you go. We'll get her settled down. She's back to normal. And we're going to keep living the dream.
That was an easy one.
That was really a rough one, but I knew it would be. Luckily, she isn't scared enough, unfortunately. Sometimes I'm worried she's going to get bit. Hope you had a great time. And if you haven't met Juliet, there she is.
Here I am.
Have an awesome day.